through Luke 12, what we're going to see is a whole lot of presenting problems that get given to us. And we're gonna, what we want to do though, is we want to get to what's the core issue that's actually the thing that needs to be focused on most, so that as disciples of Jesus, we're going to take a journey, we can come out the other side, but not because we want to just be good religious people, not because we want to earn God's love through our actions, but because we want to take what is the core message and apply it to our lives in relationship with the Father. And Luke 12, in the midst of, honestly, what is some, on the back end, some pretty heavy topics, and we'll get to those, there are some principles and practices for us that we can learn out of that core thing that we need to focus on, how we can apply it into our daily lives, that we would actually be focused on the kingdom.